anyways, today I'm taking you guys with me to shoot some pics. I got tips for you guys, and so many of you guys asked me questions on my last videos on how I take my photos, so I'm gonna be bringing you guys with me. So this product is pretty much a laxative, but it works as a primer. I'm also bringing this mini tripod to bring with you guys, or to bring you guys with me, lip gloss, oil, and hairspray. I pretty much bring these items on me just in case I have any touch-ups, if I need to oil up my skin, or if I need to, you know, take away some flyaway hairs. That's pretty much all I use for those products. I also bring a carry-on bag to have all my items separate, so that's a really big time saver instead of, you know, trying to find out where you had your items last. I pretty much put everything in one bag. So here I am. It looks a little bit cloudy and it's not, you know, the best weather, but I live in Florida, so you can see the sun's coming out now. That pretty much happens a lot, but the best thing you're gonna wanna do if it is raining, go to a parking garage. On the inside, the daylight is still gonna be great and you can take photos with flash. That way you don't look too crazy. So you guys got lucky today and are going to meet one of my old photographers. I swear most of my photo shoots are done by me. In fact, this is the first time I worked with a photographer in the last few years. So some posing ideas I have is crouch when in doubt. You know, I mean, you don't have to do it all the time because of course some outfits you really can't, but when you're in doubt, go ahead and crouch and take a photo. 9 times out of 10 it's gonna look good. Fiddle with your hair, that way you look a little bit more flirty. You don't have to do this, but this is something I do and I've noticed that will pretty much be the icebreaker for my other poses. I pretty much play around with whatever I have, whether it be my hair. Also stretch one leg in front of you to make your body look elongated and in some cases curvy. I love this because it makes the picture look a lot longer. It makes you look a little bit taller, and I like that look, for me anyways. Trust your ideas and poses. 9 times out of 10 your confidence will show in your photos, so you have to trust yourself, okay? And also another tip is to try different scenery. Take a lot of photos, different scenery, different backgrounds. Another tip is try leaning on the things around you, so objects, you know, walls, etc. Whatever you can lean on, try leaning on them, and sometimes it makes the photo look a little bit better and makes your body look longer. Use accessories as props. So I use like my bag, I'll fiddle with the strap, or I'll play with my bracelet, or if you have a necklace on, show the necklace. Anything you can do to show your accessories. In this shoot in particularly, I'm playing a lot with my glasses. I'm using it as a prop rather than an accessory, and I love the way it brings the objects to life and still goes with your fit. From time to time, check your photos, see how you look. You know, you don't want to look crazy. Just try not to care if anyone's watching unless you feel that you're in danger. Just try not to care, because you know everybody is gonna judge you. It is what it is. Unless you feel like you're in danger and you have to go, then go, girl. But if people are watching you, who cares? You're not gonna see them next day. When you rest your head, you're not even remember that person. If you guys don't really know how to pose, try walking. It pretty much is you in your natural state and you're walking. The off guards are going to be amazing. So just do that. If you don't know how to pose, just try walking in front of a camera, walking away from a camera, side angle walking. You're gonna at least get one good photo. This video of me is pretty much just a remake of everything that I'm telling you guys. I'm playing with my hair, I'm gonna be crouching. Pretty much all of that is what I do in every single photo shoot. I pretty much do this, you know, that way I can get some angles that are different, you know, instead of one straight shot in one straight area. We're taking pictures in different locations, different poses, and different angles. So this is very important, you guys, and I thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any other questions, I will be doing a video on how I edit my photos. The goal is to elevate yourself. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to elevate yourself in your photos by editing, and what apps I use, and how and what do I do to my photos. So stay tuned for that, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. These are how the photos came out. They look so good. I'm so happy happy with the results, guys, and if you guys want more, just please comment and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching.